Good afternoon, dear children. In hospitality, week we have learned about hospitality from the prose, the gift. Here we are going to learn for today's class what is the hospitality the nature has provided to human being. So as you know that the world is full of nature and we live in this world, so we can call that as nature. So some call this as nature, others call this nature as mother nature. So here the mother nature is telling that I have been here for over 4.5 billion years. So the world has been for the years that these many years and 20 to 2500 times longer than what we think. So here the nature's action always affect the humanity. So we have to remember our action will the nature actions will determine our fate, not the natures. So here the nature always gave us whatever the action we do to the nature. The reaction between humanity to the nature is whatever we do wrong to the nature, then the reaction is coming to the humanity. So, overall, we have to remember that nature does not need people. For nature, there is no need of any people's help or anything. But still, the nature's hospitality is higher than anything, because you can see that people need nature, not the nature need people. So humanity need nature. We have to be very good to the nature. We should not polite the nature, we should not spoil the nature. Because of the lot of um, industrial industrial thing and lot of technology development and polythenes and lot of things which can affect the nature very easily. For those kinds of affected things we are always using. So day by day we human people are using, but here the nature shows the hospitality that always we need nature, so we have to be faithful to the nature. So what I want to say from this lesson is we have to be polite to the nature. We should treat the nature very safely. We should not spoil anything around us. We should not destroy forests. We should not kill animals. We have to save the water. We have to save trees. We have to be kind to the nature, so that the nature will help us always. But if we take the rain, um, and the sunlight, whatever we are taking, even it is not tired of rising or setting or they are doing their job properly, but we humans always affecting the nature in many ways. So we have to be very very faithful to the hospitality which the nature shows to us. So this is what I want to say from this lesson. So be faithful to nature, and we have to take care of the nature. Thank you.